Hello everyone. We have to continue to talk about the reactions of alcohol. As I said today, we don't have to learn the reaction mechanism of alcohols. However, we have to know the reactions, the reactants, and the products of alcohol. So right now, I'm going to give you a summary before we go back to lecture notes. So let's look at the reactions of alcohol. Okay. So the first reaction we need to know is the combustion. I would say combustion. Okay. Combustion means that you burn the organic reactant in excess oxygen, and most of the time it will give carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and then I give you a summary of all the reactions you're going to learn first, and then we're going to learn nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction basically same as what we learned from halogen alkene. We try to replace this group with a halogen atom. Okay, with a halogen atom, and the mechanism involved is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and the third reaction we are going to learn will be the reactions with sodium metal. Actually, it's not just sodium, but I will say it's reactions with group 1 metal. Group 1 metal. In the syllabus, normally it comes up with sodium because sodium is a very reactive metal, so it can remove the hydrogen from the hydroxy group, making the alcohol acting as an acid. Okay, so later on we will talk about this, but I can give you a rough idea on what's going on. Now this time these will be given out. So when we give it out, so it become same color. It become like that together with the hydrogen gas. Now when we look at the balanced chemical equation later, this is called sodium alkoxide. Okay. Now can you see the bond broken is different? This one is the CO bond and this one is the OH bond. Okay. Later on we will look at each reaction in more details way. And then the fourth reaction is the reaction that you learned in IGCSE. So I'm not going to say so much here. Just tell you is esterification. As the name goes, of course, it produces an ester. The fifth one is dehydration. Dehydration, as the name goes, is the removal of water. Right, removal of water. So basically what's been doing is, if an alcohol is like that and the carbon next to it has another hydrogen, so it's easy to guess that it's going to remove this water to form an alkene together with water. Okay, so the last reaction is oxidation. Oxidation, you have already learned a bit in IGCSE. If you remember in IGCSE, we are saying that the alcohol, this is primary. In IGCSE, all the alcohols are primary alcohol, but in GCE, you have to know secondary and tertiary alcohol as I talked about yesterday. So when it is oxidized, it will become an aldehyde first. If you don't remove the aldehyde, it will continue to be oxidized all the way to carboxylic acid. Okay? If it is secondary alcohol, when it is oxidized, it will become a ketone. Okay, a ketone. And tertiary alcohol doesn't oxidize. Okay, so basically these are the 6 reactions that you have to know for your exam regarding alcohol. Let us go through it one by one later, but we can take a look first. Okay, combustion, nucleophilic substitution reaction, reaction with sodium metal, esterification, dehydration, and oxidation. Okay? I will make another video to go into details of each reaction later.